partner. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Chocolate starfish. Wanna keep on rolling, baby. Move it, now move back. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. L-I-M-P, Biscuit is right here. People in the house put their hands in the air. Cause if you don't care, then we don't care. 1, 2, 3 times 2 to the 6. Jonesing for your fix of the Limp Biscuit mix. So where the fuck you at, punk? Shut the fuck up and back the fuck up while we fuck this track up. Throw your hands 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 up. Move it, now move back. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 You the one that's with Limp Bizkit? Yeah, you can't mess with Limp Bizkit. Because we get it on every day and every night. Hear this platinum thing right here? But we're doing it all the time. So you better get some better beats and get some better rhymes. We got the game set, so don't complain yet. 24/7, never begging for a rain check. Old school soldiers blasting out the hot shit. That rock shit, putting bounce in the mosh pit. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Hey ladies, hey fellas, and the people that don't give a fuck. All the lovers, all the haters, and all the people that call themselves players. Hot mamas, pimp daddies, and the people rolling up in caddies. Turn this down a little bit. Get the party started. Turn my mic up. Turn the Limp Biscuit down. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. All right, all right, all right, all right. Well, Nasdaq looking a little bear flaggy here overnight, but we had some big selling pressure yesterday. Will there be some kind of pushback up? We got yesterday's close right there as well, 23,464. You know, anything's possible, man. Anything could happen. You know, anything could happen. Anything could happen. That song, you know what I mean? You heard that song before? Anything could happen. Anything could happen. Pizza God, use the code PW 5 times. Well, my friend, you are the true fucking MVP. You the truest of truest. Thanks for the support, my friend. Thanks for the support. Someone said happy birthday. My birthday is next week, bro. My birthday's next week. All right, we got the Nasdaq overnight low here. Overnight low there at the 33s. We pushed back up. We got the overnight high right now. Well, the London high there at the 450s. 450s there to kind of watch. Right now, Nasdaq, ES both kind of pushing back up here. Who is going to go? Kind of this little range here. If the ES starts to dump, remember yesterday the ES dumped? Kind of that bear flag setup. It dumped and then the Nasdaq followed. So we'll see. We're going to see. You know, no promises, no promises. Just here to make a little bit of money. No promises, no promises, okay? But yes, maybe a little bit of promise, maybe a little bit of excitement, maybe a little bit of let's be fired up. Abel said, since you say you're rich, we expect a gift from you on your birthday. Oh, trust me, I got a gift for you, Abel.
I got a good gift for you. I got some of that Famunda cheese. And you might ask, Famunda where? Famunda my? You know what? All right. What do we got? What's going on? No, I do think there will be some big sales on my birthday. I don't want to, honestly, I don't know. I've talked to a few prop firms and I was like, hey, my birthday's on the 28th. It would be a really good time to do one of the biggest sales you've ever done before, right? People are going to be fired up. They're going to be watching PW live on YouTube. You know, why would you not? Why would you not want to? Why would you not want to? Oh, there's toy trades. Oh, God. Too early in the morning for that. Look at my cars. Look at my cars, man. They got the Ferrari back. They got the Ferrari and the Lamborghini. Which one do you guys like more? I got to change this graphic on the window. I'm going to change it to like this one. So it's black with yellow font instead of all yellow. I think if it was black with yellow font like the Ferrari, then I think it'd be perfect. But we'll see. So we got the Lambo, we got the Ferrari. The Ferrari. It's funny because the Lambo and the Ferrari are actually the same color from the factory. That's the stock color. Yeah, TPT 90% off. You're fucking keep dreaming. Trust me, I've tried to get TPT to do a big deal, but I think 90% off will never happen. Probably, I mean, for many reasons, but they got no. They're actually. What's funny is they're actually cheaper. They're cheaper than Apex. If Apex is 90% off, TPT is still cheaper because of the activation fee. TPT Pro Reset promo code. That'd be fun. FT 50% off again. I mean, I'm gonna wish for my birthday. For my birthday, I wish and I hope that Funding Ticks is 50% off. I hope that Apex is 90% off. I hope that Take Profit Trader is 50% off. And I hope that My Funded Futures is also on sale. I don't know. I'm actually going to dinner tonight. I'm going to dinner tonight with some of the guys from My Funded Futures. I've never met those guys in real life, so we're gonna go to dinner. I picked out my favorite steak spot. You know, I'm like, hey, if I'm gonna go to dinner, I might as well go somewhere that I like. So we're gonna go to Daniel's in Fort Lauderdale. I'm getting that fucking Wagyu tomahawk, $600 steak, baby. Watch some of those guys from My Funded Futures are gonna be like, what? You're gonna order the $600 steak? I'm like, sir, when you go eat dinner with a millionaire, you cannot expect me to order the cheapest thing on the menu, right? Don't offer to buy me dinner and then, you know, get scared when I order the $600 tomahawk Wagyu from Australia, you know? Australian tomahawk Wagyu. It's expensive. You got to fly it first class to America. All right. I kind of like the idea of this big bear flag kind of playing out, right? If we get below that 380 level, where do we go from there? Let's talk out loud. Let's talk out loud. What do we got down here? 328 is the low of that candle, and then after that, it's like 23,100 all the way down there. If you look at the daily chart, it's got, I would say this daily candle, like, ideally would kind of dip maybe down, you know, to the 23,000s. I might be wrong, honestly. Who the fuck knows? We've tried to predict the market a million times and it don't work, but it would make sense to pull back. You know, you get this big candle red, one more big candle red, and then we get the bounce back up. Kind of similar to this setup here, but, you know, it's been kind of more to the downside. Maybe we get some choppy action today. Yesterday, big move up. I mean, big move down yesterday. And we'll see what happens. Show us the Porsche. I don't have the, I had to sell all my cars. They're all gone. No more cars at the BDH. I like, see that little black spot? See the black spot on the door over there? You can see it. That's from the exhaust when I was revving it with the door closed on the live stream. Oh yeah. Somebody said that you're in love with Tori. Yeah, I'm not in love with Tori. What are you talking about? Well, I don't talk about Tori. What you talking about? You're crazy. You're crazy. You know, I never, what? What do you, I never posted nothing about, look at, guys, I had 2 meetings today. And I've got 2 meetings. Listen, this is how hard my life is as an influencer. Get ready, guys. Get ready for this, okay? I got back-to-back meetings. Oh my, you know that alone, having back-to-back meetings, it's just so hard, okay? And then, and I've also got to record 4 hours of course material. 4 hours, guys. Wait a second. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a second. You're recording 4 hours of course curriculum based on the 4-hour chart? Is this a coincidence? Is she making this up?
Still manage my open trade.
Oh my, and she's got to manage her trade. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh, I can't. Guys, we need to send her more money. Someone needs to, we got to someone get her. Give me her number. Give me her address. I'm going to ship her a box of money. Because she got it so hard, man.
I'm gonna be alright.
She's going to be all right, though.
Let's turn things around.
And by the way, Tori Trades is not like a 20-year-old girl, by the way. She's in her 30s. So, like, this is why, you know, I'm just like,
Breathing some good air.
you know,
These are great problems to have. We're successful. We're making money. We're at the top of our game.
this is my favorite.
We're doing great, baby. I'm a little bit lonely, but
She's a little bit lonely. Like, God, like, cry to me some more. Tell me how bad your life is, right? You got back-to-back meetings. You got to record 4 hours of course content to sell for $5,000, right? That life, man, I can't deal with that life. I can't be living that life, Tori.
back meetings today and have to record 4 hours of curriculum.
Tori,
And
Tori,
still manage
hold
my
on.
open trade.
Tori, you're telling me you got 4 hours of course curriculum to sell for $5,000? Oh my, imagine if Tori Trades had to do a real job. Imagine if she had to work for real. What she would, oh my, imagine the videos that she would post online then. Like, imagine if she had a normal job. She'd be like, guys, today I had to go to work and I had 2 meetings. And then after the 2 meetings, I had to work for 4 more hours. Oh God, how will I ever survive? God. I mean, it's a joke. This is like, we cannot, guys, we cannot condone this, right? Like, the reason I bring this up is like, this is what's wrong with the world, right? That people are sitting around and they're like, yeah, Tori, you're right. You got it, Tori, you're so right. You work so hard, Tori. You make millions of dollars selling a course. Oh my God. What? Tori, oh God. People, we need to feel bad for her. I feel bad. The fact that she has to work and do 2 meetings in one day. Could you imagine? Could you imagine having to do 2 meetings in one day? Whoa! 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 God, it's just a joke. Like, there's people out there paying money to learn how to day trade from the person who cries about doing 2 meetings a day, right? Like, she makes a whole video on fucking Twitter to talk about how she has 2 meetings to do. Guys, like, my life, it's very difficult. You don't understand. When I wake up in the morning, I just think about, like, what do I have to do today? I have to do 2 meetings, and I can't. I just can't. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. I mean, it's just crazy. Like, it's just like I said, we need to shame this. Like, this needs to be like, shame. Shame on you. Shame. You know what I mean? Like, shame. 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 God. And then, after my 2 meetings, I have to do 4 hours of course content. God, how? I don't know. I'm just like, I think, like I said, I think we, as an industry, as a human race, as people in general, like, we need to shame this, right? Like, influencers crying about how being rich is terrible, how having to do 2 meetings is terrible, having to do 4 hours of course content. Like, my life is so terrible. Like, imagine if you had a real fucking job. Imagine if you were like, if you didn't sell a fucking $5,000 course. You know, imagine that world. Imagine a world where fucking retards didn't buy your $5,000 course. I'm like, what would you do then? What would you know what I mean? What would you do then? Terrible, man. Terrible. Oh, someone said early signs of not tonight. Oh, I guarantee, trust me. That's why she's lonely. Because she'd be like, her and her boyfriend, they'd be sitting around. And the boyfriend would be like, you want to have sex? She'd be like, honey, I can't have sex tonight. I had 2 meetings earlier. I'm tired. You know, I had to film 4 courses. 4 hours of courses. No sex tonight. Well, I can't do it. No sex for me. Yeah, it's a joke. I'm just saying. Like, I don't even care. I'm a hater, whatever you want to say, but, like, we need to hate on this. Like, as the human race evolves, we need to hate on influencers crying about how their life is so fucking hard. Like, I wake up in the morning and I'm like, fuck, I got 2 meetings. Fuck yeah, I want to have 10 meetings. I want to film content 10 out. You know what I mean? Like, I'm fucking fired up. I'm lucky. Like, it's a privilege that you guys have honored me with the fucking ability to be able to live this life, right? Like, I wake up in the morning and I'm fucking jacked to the tits thinking about, like, what I can do for you guys, right? I'm not going to sit here and complain and cry about how my life is so hard and so difficult. I'd be like, guys, this morning, guys, I woke up this morning and I had to pull the Lamborghini and the Ferrari out of the BDH. I had to pull it outside so they could get washed. The detailer, he's here right now. He's detailing my cars. But you don't understand. It's difficult, right? I wake up in the morning and the first thing I have to do is I have to move the cars. You know, I had to put the key in the car and I turn the key. Well, you don't turn the key, you press the button. I press the button and then I pulled the cars out. Guys, you don't understand. After I stream for 3 hours, then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna work some more. But I'm lonely. God. Like I said, it's just like we gotta, you know what I mean? Like we gotta come together as the human race. You know what I mean? Like I'm just being honest. Like I know I'm being a hater, but like, we cannot condone this type of behavior in the world, right? Sitting online and crying about how you have to do 2 meetings in 1 day, right? Like, it's just not right. It's not right for anybody. What about the people out there that they would die to have a meeting? There's people out there on this planet that would literally be like, man, I would love to have a meeting. I would love to be, you know, like, have a job where I could just have a meeting. Like, that'd be so nice. Instead of, like, you know, working in a fucking lithium iron, you know, I'd be working in the oil fields. I don't know, I'd be doing something crazy. I guarantee there's a billion people that would trade lives with Tori trades right now. She got us so hard, but I guarantee there's a billion fucking people that would be like, yes, I want to be an influencer. I want to sell courses for $5,000 a month and never make any, you know, I'd love to do that. I would love to do that. Maybe that's just me. You know, maybe that's just me. I mean, I think honestly, probably like 99% of the people on this planet would trade lives with me as well. But I ain't trading. Because you know what I mean? I ain't fucking trading. Fuck you guys. I love this shit. I ain't complaining. I'm loving it, all right? I love this shit. Right now, I love it. Maybe in 30 minutes, I'm going to be hating it. But right now, I ain't trading lives with nobody. Because I love this shit. I fucking love my job. Colt Riot wants my girlfriend. Bro, we're going to have to fight for you. Want my girlfriend? We're going to have to fight for her. I ain't going to give her up for free. How much you paying? $5 million. Just kidding. She's priceless. Priceless. Is it a sell all day type day? What do you guys think? Oh God. Is it a sell all day type of day or what? You know what I mean? What do y'all think? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are you thinking? I'm just, again, man, I'm just, you know. I just can't. I can't stop. I can't. People be like, Patrick, why do you care what Tory trades? I can't. I can't do it. FOMC, it's not FOMC today, it's FOMC minutes today. FOMC minutes. That's just the minutes from the last meeting. I don't really see like I don't know, it shouldn't really be a lot of much news, right? Why hate him? Simply ignore and don't say the name. What are you talking about? I love everybody. Joe Wabi, TJR already talked about how he's gonna sell the Conus egg. You gotta return the rental, bro. You gotta take the rental back. The dealership that all those influencers buy their cars from in South Florida is the biggest shithole dealership there is. All the cars there have fucking issues, have problems. Come on now. Do we have a female face-off? We might have one. There might be one happening. The female face-off. Why aren't you surfing? We went out this morning on the jet ski. There was not really anything going on, to be honest, here in South Florida. I thought that we'd get a little bit more swell, but we didn't get any swell. So if you think Tory Trades is bad, you should see Lambo. Trust me, I see Lambo Raul. I see him. Don't you worry. I see everybody. At least Lambo Raul ain't complaining, crying about having to do meetings. You know what I mean? So. What about that fly? What? What's the best prop deal right now? PW. I think the cheapest deal right now is the $50 all-in cost for a 50K Funding Ticks Pro Plus account. Let's go. Dutchman said, "Don't invite me. I'll trade you every day." Perfect. You're not invited. Wow, you got me. You damn it. Nutty Bar win. This winter time. He'll be down here this winter. What are my predictions from today? I mean, I'm thinking there's a big old bear flag here on the chart, but you know, I don't know. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. When are you gonna buy a private jet? Bro, I'm not that rich. I might look rich, but I'm not that rich. Like, just because I have a Lamborghini don't mean I can buy a fucking private jet. What do you guys think? Up or down today? Trades by Slade. Trying to sell that fucking diamond ring right now in the chat. Don't you worry, Slade. I'll let you know when I'm ready. Wink, wink. Start your own PropFirm and then you can buy a private jet. I don't know about that. I don't think that's actually factual, to be honest. How's the background music right now? Is it too loud or should it be louder? It's hard. I really can't tell because I'm not listening to the stream. Should I turn the background music up or down? It's perfect. Gay music. Thank you, Allie. It's happy music. It's happily gay. Got the lobby music from Call of Duty, baby. I mean, I think... I think it's a short all day type of day. Honestly, I don't know. I mean, we had a big sell-off yesterday. Market moved all the way down there. We got yesterday's close there at the 468s. It's hard to be bullish, but we'll see what happens. Right now, just kind of pulling back here, 5-minute chart. We got the VWAP right there, 23,403s. So, if we can make the move down, well, let's see. Sean said we're going up all day today. Fucking A, bro. Relax. Relax, bro. All day, he said. God. What does Mandy think? Where's Mandy? Look at the daily Fibonacci's. The Fibonacci's! Let's look. The golden pocket. 23,300 level down there. We're about 50% of this move right now. Pullback. Okay. The daily pocket. Yo, did you get the P.O. box? I did. I got a P.O. box, so you can send me mail. If you want to send me a gift, I'm going to open it at the BDH on my birthday, right? On my birthday. Don't send me a bomb. You can send me a dildo or something funny, but don't send me a bomb, please. I don't want to die. So. Oh my God, Mandy's in the chat. She said, do not short today. Fucking A, Mandy. Are you sure? Do you guarantee this? If you guarantee that it is not a short day, then I will only go long because Mandy said so. My my address is in the chat. It's a P.O. box, so don't worry. I kind of messed it up. Don't send anthrax either, assholes. But yeah, send me a gift. Next week, I'm going to open it live at the BDH. My birthday stream next week should be a lot of fun. We got a lot of... I told Ginger to do something crazy. I told her, I was like, I want to break the internet. So I have no idea what's coming. Just going to be a bunch of crazy stuff next Thursday, my birthday. 37 years old. Hopefully I get a stripper and a cake. Hopefully a cake with a stripper in it. Maybe Victoria will be in the stripper. Or she'll be in the cake. Or, I don't know. It's gonna get crazy either way. What if Tori sends me a gift? Well, I would feel bad because, you know, she's so lonely. The only gift that I can give her is friendship. Friendship. I mean, the address is not to my house. It's not to my house. It's to a P.O. box. So if you send something, if you send a bomb, it's not going to get to me. You're going to kill somebody else. So don't do it. Send me an interconnected computer. What's wrong with Tory Trades? Everything's wrong with Tory Trades. The world is wrong with Tory Trades. That's what's wrong with Tory Trades, okay? She's losing her fucking mind. This is what she posted this morning. I can't deal with this anymore. I can't deal with it. She had back-to-back meetings, bro.
Hours of curriculum.
Back-to-back
And
meetings.
Back meetings today, and have to record 4 hours. Of
And
curriculum,
4 hours of
and
content.
Still manage my open trade.
And trade.
But I'm gonna be all right. Like,
She's gonna
these
be
are
all right,
great
though. Don't worry,
problems to
chat.
have.
Don't worry. She's gonna get through it. She's gonna get through it. She's gonna be able to get through it, I think. She's gonna make it. She's gonna make it through it. Two meetings. 4 hours of filming content. And then trading as well. Fuck. Imagine, like, imagine if she had to, like, work a real job. Like imagine if she had, like a family and she had to work at McDonald's or, like, Walmart or, like, Chili's. Like, you know, like, imagine she had, like, a real job. Why does she bother you? I mean, I'm just upset. I'm mad. I'm so mad right now. I just think it's bad. It's bad for the industry, man. It's bad. Like, I think about it like this. Like, how many traders out there, how many people watching us influencers that work full-time jobs, right? That would do anything to get to a point where they're making $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, right? Like, be honest with yourself. Like, how many people out there that watch my YouTube videos would sign a contract to make $20,000 a month for the rest of their lives? Like, how many people would take that deal? And part of that deal is you have to do 2 meetings a day. You have to trade and you have to film. You know what I mean? Like, would there be a lot of people signing up for that situation, like, for that opportunity? I think so. So that's why it's just such a joke when we see videos of Tori Trades crying about how she has to do 2 meetings. It's just
Let's
like,
go fishing with Tori.
yeah, oh God, go fishing with Tori. Somebody asked if I'm a good surfer. I never surfed a day in my life. Just foiling, bro. Look at this. Biggest wave ever. This is what I was hoping to have one of these waves in Boca today, but nope. Did not happen. Oh, that's me riding the market. Patrick Wieland riding the market. Ooh! Oh God, I'm gonna die. Oh, no bueno, no bueno. No bueno. No the bueno. What's the biggest wave? I don't know, like 30, 40 feet maybe, just like, you know, foil surfing. That's an actual foil, not an e-foil. Yes, it's AI. You fucking morons think it's AI. What are y'all talking about? Why would it be AI? Why would I make a video of me foiling and call it AI? You know, like, look at me. Oh, this is back when I was shredded. Look at my muscles. Kind of miss Hawaii sometimes. I miss Hawaii a little bit sometimes. Days like this. This is the e-foil here. It's out there riding the waves, baby. It's 100% AI, yes. It's called an e-foil. It's got a foil on the bottom. It creates a lift, like a plane. Right? It's like a plane. It's a plane. How do you get it back if you fall? You swim. Am I in shorts or longs? I'm flat right now. The market is not open yet. We got plenty of time here. Don't get too excited now. Don't get too excited. All right, I think this is the way I'm looking at it. I think if we start to sell here at open, there's not much reason to bounce until we get fucking maybe all the way down there to the lows. I mean, even then, I don't know. I was just kind of playing it how it is. I would say, like, basically below these lows here, it's not good. We lose that 380 level, we going downtown. Very similar setup here on the ES as well. So the ES sitting there, the Nasdaq sitting there. Who will make the move today? Anything's possible, my friends. Anything's possible. Anything can happen. I think the key level for the ES today is going to be that 420 level. If the ES wants to stay high, it's got to be above 420s. Stay above the 420s here. Already 4,000 watching. Oh, buddy, we're famous. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, let's blow it up. We'll do a giveaway today. Give away some courses. Why not? I like to hook up all the homies. Don't worry about me. I won't complain about having to work, you know. I love a good work. I love a good work.
I will custom made you a pendant, says Rip.
Rip.
Reeling in profit for both your passion in fishing and trading.
Oh, reeling in profits. Damn, that's pretty catchy. Pretty catchy. What do I think about the QQQ gap? What do I think about it? Let me see. I haven't really thought about it, to be honest. You said 536? Oh my God. Yeah. I mean, there's a gap there all the way down there. You're not wrong. 536 level. That's a pretty big move down. That would be, I guess, about a 6% move down on the QQQ, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. The giveaway shows closed on only prop firms. It don't surprise me. Yeah. Oh, God. We've got the previous day close, 470 area. Maybe we kind of rip up there and then come back down. Hard to say. We got the overnight high up here, 450 level. So maybe we can kind of push back up there and then take that move down. Right now, holding up there at the VWAP for now. Just trying to be patient here today. I want to get a good trade in today. I mean, we had a nice 60-pointer yesterday, but maybe a bigger trade, you know? Maybe get a bigger trade today. We'll see. I don't know. I want more. 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 Plotting a murder. That's the plan, baby. I'm going to murder this market here. I'm going to murder this fucking market. Dude, it's so hard to find music to play. That's like gay. It's not too bad, I guess. Use the trend lines to catch big moves. Oh, no is that all I need to do? Guys, I've been doing this shit wrong the whole time. I've been doing this shit wrong. Little did I know that all I needed to do was use a trend line and I would make more money. You know, little did I know. This whole time, man, I've been doing it wrong. I need to trade the 4-hour chart. I need to have 2 meetings a day. I need to film 4 hours of content. That's the only way that I'm ever going to be successful as a day trader. That's the only way. That's the only way it's going to work. Feeling a little bright in here. We'll change up the music a little bit. Just let's focus on the open here, guys. Stop worrying about what music's playing. Let's worry about the fucking trades, okay? Right now, Nasdaq holding up there at the VWAP here. See what happens at open. Let's look here. 15-minute chart. I'd say it's like looking like a big old bear flag here, right? Did the market open early? Market has popped up 20, 30 points. Oh, God. Shorts getting squeezed. Chop City today. Looks like we might take out that overnight high here sooner than later. That little boner candle to the upside there. Wow, where'd that come from? Right there off the VWAP again. The $50 promo for funding ticks is a one step eval, then go into the funded account from there. So 2 minutes here till market opens. What is your strategy? Buy high, sell low. It works every time. Got that pivot point right there. 424 is holding up here. We got yesterday's close up there with the 470s. 30 seconds till the market opens. 30 seconds. What are we thinking? Long or short here, boys? Long or short? Up or down at open? See if we can take out that overnight high and then come back down. Maybe. Maybe. Little dip. Think they take out that 450 area. If they get it below 400s, then I think the bears are in, or the bulls are definitely in trouble there. There's that dip down there to the 400s now. Yesterday, we had a big, huge move out of the open there. Will we get a similar move here?
Do both. Hedge it since it's in a range.
Do both. Wow, okay. Go long and short. Can't lose if you're long and short at the same time, you know. I like that play. It's a good play. Nasdaq below the 400s here. ES is holding up at the 420, that VWAP there for now. Right there, that key level at the 380s. We get through this 380 area, then I think we could go downtown, like Charlie Brown, you know what I mean? There's that 380 break. Heading down. I don't really see any reason for it just to stop here at the 370. Should just keep bleeding. Right? Got the overnight low down there, 340s now, so. keep that momentum to the downside going there and just kind of head down there 340s, 330s. Got a pivot point down there 320s. I'm short from the 388s, looking for this move down. Gonna take out this 370 area here. Came right back up there again. The chop is real. Can we get this move through here? Short it here on these. I want to see if we can just basically dump after that retest there. Big trades, baby. Big trades only. All right, moving stop to break even there at the 90s now. I want to look for a new low here. Kind of looking for like 53s. Another little mini bear flag right there. Just take out this 370 level. Oh. Wow. Okay. Just to pull it right back down there again, you gotta love it. Fucking stop me out perfectly. Did I buy or did I short? I shorted. If we lose 370s, see if we break more, get on, go down here. Bear flag forming here. Got our 15-minute range right now. Holding these lows for now. Got the VWAP there at the 400s. ES is holding up. The Dow is ripping back up. Volatility. There's that 370 break again. This is that move we wanted. Down there into the 60-50s again. Just chopped it back up again. Looking a little scary for a possible squeeze back up. They get it above 390s. She might be primed. But below 400, the shorts are in control. It's got to get it through that 370 area good. They're battling that 370 area there. Oh my God, Nasdaq, do something here. Break to the downside, you bitch. .360's testing again. Break that 360 area, dump it. Wow. Still chopping, still chopping. The ES is moving down through the 420s. Nasdaq should move down here, but it's being really stubborn right now. There we go, finally getting through. Come on, 350 break. There we go, trying to get down there, 40s. There it goes, there it goes, chat, there it goes. There it goes. Finally, to the downside. God damn, that was so retarded. Down there to the low right now. Finally getting that filled there. Fucking A. Fuck, this fucking thing right now is... I'm still short here from the 86s. I got 5 contracts left. Trying to get this break to the downside here. Like I said, I'm looking for a big move today. Dude, this thing is a joke right now. Got my stops at the 71s. See if we can't get through those lows down there. Oh my, do not. Well, that's not good. Wow. Just pumped it right back up there. Fuck me, dude. Big pump back up here now. I got 2 more contracts left here. Stopped out a couple. Well, break even. Not even break even, but 10 points. Was looking to see if we can get that move through the 300s here today. Why? Why? What a joke. What a fucking joke. Comes back up, tops me out at 370 for no fucking reason. You gotta be kidding me right now. You gotta be fucking kidding me. That's a joke. That's a fucking joke, chat. That's not even real life. And now I gotta go do 2 meetings after this. Are you kidding me? How am I ever can't do this? You gotta be kidding me right now. I can't tell if I'm fucking retarded or what. I can't believe it. I got 1 contract left. I'm gonna keep it down here just in case this really gets down there towards that pivot point. We got a pivot point at the 315 area or 317s. Oh my God. Dude, that was so fucking stupid. All right, well, we're done. That was fucking retarded. Like, that's fucking, I'm retarded. Crazy. All right, Nasdaq dipping down here through the lows now, through the pivot point. Let's go. Fucking A. Why did... Should just held. There's that 300 move. This is what I wanted all morning long. Chop Chop City. We love it. We want some more of it. You know what I mean? Don't just love it. All right, we broke the opening range low so far. Just bleeding out here. 290s now. Market just had to chop around for that first fucking 15 minutes, didn't it? Just to fuck with us. I love when that happens, though. Don't you just love it? I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. I wake up in the morning just like excited for this shit. All right, here we go. Look at this thing dumping right now. Fucking, why did I not just stay short? I'm an idiot. I'm sorry, chat. I'm retarded. I should have just kept on holding those shorts as long as we didn't get back above the VWAP. I mean, I should just fucking let it ride. What a little bitch boy. I'm a bitch boy right now. 280s now. What a move. That's 100 points. Fucking fuck me. I'm a letdown. My ancestors are watching this right now and they're thinking to themselves, wow, he's a real failure. Real failure. He's a real failure. My ancestors, they're Vikings. The Vikings are watching right now and they don't know what happened. Me either, man, me either. I am green on the day, so I don't know why I'm crying, but it hurts. I'm not happy about it, okay? I'm not happy. All right, Nasdaq down here to the 290s. What is this yellow line? Did I draw that on there or something? I don't even know what the yellow line is. All right, this is 50% of the opening range right here. Kind of like 260, 270 area. Is that going to be a little bit of a bounce spot? I need some type of little, maybe we get a little pushback up, test that 320 area, look for another short opportunity. Getting some volatility right here. Wow. A lot of volume coming in right there. The book is going wild right now. Some big orders getting filled. All right, kind of just waiting for another bear flag type of setup here. If we make this, like if we start to sell through here, it kind of sucks to get short, but gotta wait for some of my pullback. Little pullback. Let's push back up to that EMA, 310, 320 level, you know? Why not? 310, 320 level. ES is down to the overnight low right now. ES is at the overnight low. Will there be a bounce here on the Nasdaq? Pivot point as well on the Nasdaq here. Still going lower though. 270s now. There's that dump. I still can't believe that I got stopped out on that pushback up for no reason. Just stupid. Nasdaq dumping here now. Wow, 240s. The shorts got paid this morning. Why was I not just dick deep short? I don't know. It's really, I really don't know. Still going lower. The ES just dumped. Nasdaq dumped. Will there be any buyers anywhere down here? Just keeps bear flagging. Bear flagging here. Just continuously bear flagging. Straight down. 220s now. There's no stopping this thing. There's no stopping her. Wow. What a move. I still can't, I'm like, I don't know. I told y'all my why? I keep bitching. Stop it. Just kind of butthurt because I just blew it this morning. For no reason. Oh, it's fucked. What a move. Over 100 points, 150 points to the downside there on the shorts. Like I said, below the 400s, below that 380 level, we were looking for the shorts. I took like 60 points profit, and that motherfucker just kept going. You know, I'm like, hey, more power to you. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Amen, brothers. What a time to be alive, either way. Wait for some type of little pushback up here. This is the 100% of the opening range now. If we get back above this like 240 level, maybe go back up 270s, test that 270 level for a short opportunity. Tim Medina, he paid $2 to say he's not going to FOMO. Don't do it. Don't do it, Tim. Oh my God, she's still just going lower. It is an absolute bleeder. We call this a bleeder, boys. People talk about dumping. This is dumping. Look at the ES. Everything is just falling off a fucking cliff right now. It is crazy times. All the way through the 200s now. 188, still going lower. Still going lower. Why am I not still short from the 380s right now? Why? I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Oh my God. 170s now. Fuck me, dude.
How do I link the funded ticks ACCT2 trade of 8?
Oh. That sucks. Just sucks. Oh. Well, crazy. It's not even FOMO. I took a short this morning and it's just, I don't know. I took profit and then it just fucking is. It's just been going lower and lower ever since. I mean, I don't whatever. I made money. It's just the fact of like watching it just keep going lower and fucking lower forever. Okay, just keeps going lower. Never gonna stop. Well, that's crazy. Oh my God. Why? That sucks. Just sucks. What, like... Oh God, that's literally, dude, I covered at 320. It went to 140. That sucks. I mean, it's not hindsight. It's just the fact of like, why did I not crush that? You know, it's just, What was there? Why did I cover where I covered? I have no idea. No fucking idea. Look at that hourly candle now, all the way the fuck down there. Crazy, man. Why did I not short more? It just did not give us like any good pullback, to be honest. Just not. It's. I don't know, man. Whatever. Whatever. Sucks either way.
For 50K deal over.
Still going lower.
5% with PW.
Fuck. Yeah, I just fucking stupid. Stupid. Manny said, don't go short today. That's what Mandy said. All right, little pushback up here. 23,200. Insane move to the downside here. We had those shorts all the way up there, the 380s.
Thank you, Patrick.
All the way at the 380s had those shorts there. Oh, come on. Fuck me, man. Oh, yeah. For everybody asking about the funding ticks all in for $50. Come on, guys, let's use our little brains. You gotta fucking listen. I've said it before. It's not rocket science, right? Go there. Look. Look. How it works. Go to Funding Ticks. Click one step. Click the Pro Plus. Click the 50K account. Once you click the 50K account, you'll see it's either $5,000 for a reward cap or $1,000. Click on the $1,000, right? $1,000 reward cap. Bam. We got it. 50K account, trade of 8, go there, put the code PW, apply, and the cost is $50. Everybody in the chat who doesn't know how to fucking listen, this is how you do it. Do you understand? Does everybody understand? It's not rocket science. You have to click on the individual reward cap. It's the one step, the Funding Ticks Pro, the $1,000 reward cap, $50,000 account. It does not work for any other size account, only the 50K. It's $50 for a 50K, all in. That's everything with the code PW, okay? Everybody got it? Understood? No more questions? All right. Got it? Boom. Am I still... David Robertson, I'm not trading my Funding Ticks accounts. I do not have any funded Funding Ticks accounts right now. I closed my live, or not my live, but the straight to funded ones because I didn't want to go to a live account. But that's me, not you. All right, Nasdaq got stuck there at the 200s. Can she go lower here now? Eduardo making $45,000 on the Pro TPT accounts. Fuck yeah, bro. That's, I mean, yeah. No, that should have been. Oh. Nasdaq making new lows here again. The ES is flagging. Nasdaq the next level to the downside. This 23,000 area, really, I think. Fucking A, man. Still moving to the lows there. 133s now. $120s down there now. Ooh, buddy. The bear flag playing out there beautifully on the 1-minute chart. Little bear flag. We got stuck there at the 100% of the opening range and moving down there now. 23,120s. What a fucking move today. Absolutely insane move here. Wow. Perfect bear flag on the 5-minute chart. Perfect. Still going lower, going for that 100 break here. Oh my God, 23,100 about to break. About to break 23,100. Ooh. There it goes through the 300, through the 23,000s now. Still straight down here. What a move. What a move. Well, the shorts got paid this morning, that's for sure. They definitely got paid here. Am I short? No. I have nothing open right now. I am flat. Nothing going on. Would like to see, I mean, now it's just like coulda, shoulda, woulda. I mean, honestly, I should still be short from the fucking open. You know, like I really should. What a retarded fucking open that was. We chopped around. Fucking, then we went just straight fucking down. God. Whatever. The 15-minute opening range playing out there as well through that pivot point from the 320s down there to the 23,100s. Nasdaq bouncing 23,100. Everybody in the chat who's asking why I'm not selling, it's the fact that I've already sold and made 80 points. And now I'm like, hey, what I don't want to do is go short at the fucking bottom. Is it still going lower? Yes. You know, I'm just like, I don't know, man. At some point, looking for some kind of pushback up, some kind of little, like, opportunity. I really don't know. I'm not going to fucking jump in here short at the bottom and then fucking get stopped out for no reason. And I'm not going to go long either. You can't really do shit down here. It just sucks. I mean, mostly I'm just mad that I covered where I covered. I never should have covered. It is what it is. Can't go back in time now. Ugh. market was wild. Absolutely wild. All right, we made a big move down here, and just expecting some type of, I think some kind of like push back up here off this 23,100 level. It's hard to get short just at the fucking bottom here, but maybe we go lower to that 23,040 area there next. I don't know. Keeps going lower. All right, well, not really much to do here. Fucking A, man. I keep watching it here, and I fucking. Like, you're looking at that and you're like, oh, maybe I'll take a bear flag here, but the fuck? Oh, just been dumping and dumping. This was the bear flag right there from the 200s now down there to the 60s. Everybody asking about trades today. Yes, we traded the open. Where have you guys been? We fucking had the amazing short at open. And ever since we covered, the market has just went lower and lower. I don't know what to say. There's that little pushback up here again. See, I think there's like, if anything, now we're just going to end up chopping around down here. So you play like a chicken. Thanks, bro. That's me. Big old rooster. Big rooster boy. I mean, I'm kind of looking. If we get back above 110, I'm going to take a little longy dongy, I think, here. I think he's going to get some kind of pop back up here. All right, we're up 20 points. I'll put my stop break even, see how high we can ride this. Well, we tried. Got stuck there at the 120s again. I was looking for like 150s maybe, but what made me take this long? These candles right here, 3 candles. Look at that. Popped again. Let's try it one more time here. We're going to double down. 10 points. Looking for the 150, 160s maybe. Oh, fuck me. I tried to put another. Fuck. I'm going to buy there. There we go. Now we're selling at 160, 150s. How'd I get... Ugh. If this candle closes up above his 130... I'm going to add another one there. Should be able to push here like 150s. Get above these highs, these candles. Get right there at 150, 160s next. Moving, move stop right there to the 118s. It may get rejected. You're not wrong. I'm going to move that up a little bit higher. Because if we get through this 140 level, we should like rip through 50s, 60s there next. Let's see if we get it. Am I buying now? Yes, we are long. Look at the chart, guys. Look at the chart. $15 contracts on one account, correct. I'm gonna take some right there at 47, just to lock it in there, and then we can move the rest to break even here, maybe. Oh. Everybody asking where my stop is. Do you see on the chart? Are people, is there not a chart on the screen? What is happening right now? What is happening right now? All right, I got 10 contracts left. I'm going to put them to break even right there, and let's see if we can't get a little bit more out of this. All right, Patrick, are you long? Are you short? Patrick, what are you doing? Where's your stop? Where's your targets? Look at the chart, bro. Look at the chart. Just look at the fucking chart, man. All right, it's like getting a little slow right here. I'm gonna take a little bit more. I got 5 left. We'll let them ride. We will let them ride. We'll put, actually, yeah, let's just let it ride. Just in case we get like a big reversal kind of back up in here. Because I don't want to have any FOMO. If you're wondering why I got long where I did, like look at these candles down here. This candle kind of makes a new low. This candle eats the whole thing back up. This candle tries to get down again. And then another big, very bullish candle. No wick on the bottom. Just buyers pushing. So that's why I got long where I did. And that's why we're making money here. Fuck, I don't like how it's like stuck right there. I might just take 2 more off here. Let me see if I get 2 more out right here. Just stuck there at the 150s. We're right there. Just it could turn back down, so I don't want to be greedy. We got 3 contracts left. And got the rest right there at 30. If we can hold this 140 level, I think there's good room to kind of pop back up there towards the 200s. But you know how that goes. It don't always do what I want to do. And trouble there at the 150s. Got 3 contracts left here. Can we stay alive? Don't look. Oh, don't look like it. Don't look like it. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. God, flirting with my stop there. Holy fuck. Come on, Nasdaq. Make one more big boner to the upside here. Get one more push to the upside here. This ain't done. Come on, you want to get it, Nasdaq. Get up there through the 150 one more time for me. Oh, no, 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 no. Back up, back up, back up. Back up. Oh, stopped out there for a nice little profit. Little bear flag forming here on the 5-minute chart. If we start to break back down through the hundreds, might be a short opportunity, but let's see. What do we got? What do we got? If this puts in a higher low here. Theo, Pat wishing for a long. Hey, Theo, how much are you up today? I'm not wishing for anything. I'm just trading the fucking chart. I swear to God. Like, what do you want from me? I took a trade. Right? How much? I don't even care. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I'm walking away. It's called trading. I mean, I don't know what to say. Like, I took a trade. I thought I saw an opportunity. I made some money on it. Like, who cares? Like, it's just like, it's such a joke. If I don't take a trade, I suck. If I take a trade, I suck. It don't matter what I do. You know, every day, it's the same bullshit. Every fucking day, the same idiots. Patrick, why'd you get long there? Patrick, why'd you get short there? Patrick, why do you do this? You know, like, I don't get it. What do you want me to do? What would you like me to do? Just not do anything? Is that better? Should I just never not take any trades this year? Okay. Just stare at the chart forever? That might be a better idea. It's not even that I'm looking for a long. I'm just looking for the market to play into the idea that market moves in waves, right? The market moves up, it moves down. Sometimes during a bear market or a very bearish market, you get very strong reactions back to the upside. You know, the shorts get squeezed, it happens. All right, Nasdaq making new kind of pulling back there, so just part of it, man.
I just passed my funded P-Dub. I am speechless.
Tim Medina just passed his funded account. Let's go. Or I guess you got to pay out in your funded account. I'm kind of looking for maybe a short back down here below this 100 level. ES is going for new lows. Let's try it. 3 contracts short. Stop at this 10 area. If we can't move down here to the 60s. Actually, it moves up a little bit. I might even add into this if we push back to the 20s. Yes, I'm shorting now. Oh, God. What will I do? Don't watch, chat. Don't watch. Double bottom setup here. I said I was going to add into it. Everybody relax. I'm going to add into this again if we break below the 90s and start selling towards those lows. I want everyone to watch and see how it's done. Just go ahead and watch. Go ahead and just keep watching, chat. Just watch how daddy does it here. All right, we're still adding. We're adding into our winners here. Get this through the 80s. Oh, God. All right, still added. I got three more to add here. I'll go all in 15 for this break to the downside through the 90s. Make or break me, baby. Only one way to play me. I can't go long, remember, because the chat said I can't go long in this market, so I can only go short from now on. There's no music now. Oh, Lord. It's just me and you guys. Just gonna hear me breathing. Well, fucking A. Do. Break the 90s here. Come on. Take it. No. Break the 90s. Break 90s. Break 90s. Fucking A. I might have to get, if we get above 110, I might just get out here. The market decided this is the bottom. This 23,100 level. I knew this was going to be, why did I get short? Why? Why? The emotions of a trader. The emotions of the traders. Oh God. We lose this 90s. We're going down. We're dropping downtown. Downtown, chat. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Help me help you. Use the code PW whenever you sign up for all the best deals. PropFirm space. Take it on down here. Let's get it through the 80s. Should I add one more if we break 80s just to fucking get just a good fuck you to everybody? Nah, just kidding. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe. Oh, my Lord. Wow. That's not good. I don't like it. I'm out. I don't like it. Now it's going to pop back up. Oh, Lord. Gave back like 2.5 on that. 2.5 on that. Whatever. I'm going to watch it again. I'm going to go 15 clip in. If we break 90s here again, I'm going 15 clip. 15 clip. 15 clip on her. Yeah, 15 clipper. School's out. Summer remix. Get ready. Right now we're looking at the 1 minute chart. 15 clip on the 90s. Hit it. Dump it down through the 80s here. $88 buyer. Get the fuck out of the way, $88 buyer. Nope. Fucking A. Down there at the lows, just can't go. Guess what? I know what to do here, chat. I know what to do. I got an idea. All right, I got an idea. We'll try it again. Try it again. Nope. All right, we're gonna have to go long here, I think. It's a flip long move. If we break above the 100, just get above the EMA there again. Breaking long. Nope. We're flipping long. Stop at the lows. We're riding this bitch to the 150s now. No ads on this stream, baby, because we're rich. We real rich. Good Lord. No longs, no shorts. All right, one more try of the shorts. One more try on the shorts here. Stop at the 106s. We're gonna get a move at some point here, boys. I'm telling you. Some point, something's gonna happen here. I know. This is top trading right here. Top trading, people. Look at that. This is gambling. Everybody write in the chat. This is gambling. Say it. Everybody in the chat, write it. Write in the chat. This is gambling. Patrick, this is gambling. Come on, say it. Write it in the chat. Write it in the chat. Stop playing games with my heart. With my heart. Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. With my heart. I'm not even gonna look at it because I don't even care anymore. I can't lose. It's all good. Just kidding. Put my stop there to the 80s. 10 points. Oh. All right, if we pop back up, I'm going long here at the 80s. I'm going long. Bottom is in. The low is in. The low is in. The low is in, chat. The low is in. It's not in. The low is not in. Oh. The market makers are watching my stream again, clearly. Not looking good here. Again, just chopping here at the bottom. Just chopping. It's a bear flag. Nah, man. It's the low. It's the low of day right here. I'm calling it. Low of day. It's a long all short. Guys, it's a short all long. You know, it's one of those days where it's short all long. Long all short. Short all long. You know what I mean? It's all long short. It's a short all long. Long all short. You want to basically be long all short. All short. Yeah. Long, all shorts. All shorts, all longs. Do the opposite of me, yes. Very good idea. I would definitely do the opposite of whatever I do. It might work. Or it might not. You never know. It's a 50-50. If you go short, I go long, 50-50. Maybe one wins, maybe one loses. You never know. But I would definitely do whatever, the opposite of whatever I'm doing, because I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Whatever I would do if I was you, I would just don't do what I do. You know what I mean? Because the longs are the shorts and the shorts are the longs. So we want to make sure that we're not long while short, because if we're short while we're long, then we never, who knows? 2 meetings, 1 day. Okay? Like, how am I ever going to survive this life? You guys don't understand. I have 2 more meetings today. I got to go to 2 meetings, right? I've already been live on YouTube now, and now I got to go to meetings afterwards. It's too much. I can't handle this life anymore. Yes, this is an eval, by the way. You think I would trade this like for real? Come on now. Entertainment purposes. Purposes are entertainment only. I don't make any money trading, by the way. I make no money. Just making that clear. I do not make money. I've only lost money every single day of my life. This is never good. Don't follow me. Oh my God, again, stuck there at the 80s. Come on, Nasdaq, do something here. I'm trying to go long and short at the same time. Try one more short, boys. One more short here. No more low of day. We're going downtown. Come on. Yes. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Up is down, down is up. True story. Dude, there's a buyer at the 50s here again. Honestly, I might have to flip back to long. Should I flip back long here one more time just for fun? Right? One more time. Let's do it one more time, chat. We're flipping today. It's flipping coin day. You go long, go short, same time. You can't lose. Dude, this is wild. Y'all think I'm losing? Right? I'm actually making money right now. I don't know why everyone thinks I'm losing money. I'm actually making money. Y'all don't know how to trade clearly. I'm green on the day. I don't know what y'all been doing. I'm sitting here just printing dollar bills. Every move is just dollar bills. God damn those EMAs. Get those EMAs off the fucking chart already. What are they doing there? What the fuck is this? Every fucking, these goddamn EMAs. Who put those EMAs on the chart? Who did that? Yeah, clearly go long at the bottom of every candle, go short at the fucking EMA. Best way to make money today. Play one more time. One more time. All right, got it. I got it. One more time. Take the schools out. Dude. Again. One more time.
One more time.
You're building bad habits for beginners. Hey, everybody in the chat, don't do what I'm doing. Don't do it. Everyone stay out of this. Don't trade it. Don't be like me, okay? I'm not building nobody's fucking habits. I'm not holding anyone's hands. If you copy me, you're a fucking moron. So, whose habits am I building? He don't give a fuck about beginners. Yeah, fuck yeah, guys. I don't give a fuck about no beginners. That's why I got short at open. And, you know, I told everybody, hey, fucking short at open. I guess they don't talk. Hey, no one talks about that, right? Nobody talks about the fact that at open, I said, hey, everybody, look, we're looking for shorts below the 380s. You know, nobody talks about that because I'm clearly bad for beginners, right? I didn't tell anybody that, right? I didn't tell nobody that. I didn't tell nobody this morning. You know, nobody this morning knew that. Nobody. I told everybody this morning to get long. I told everybody. I said, I got 2 meetings today. I'm getting long. See y'all later. Exactly. 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 One more time. All right, well, Nasdaq just stuck down here at the lows now. Looks like we might make new lows here again. Look at this fucking candles down here. At some point, we're gonna pop up and it's gonna be a big old fucking boner candle and everybody's gonna be laughing and then they're gonna go, oh, fuck. Look at that big old boner candle. Tory hate is odd. Fuck Tory. I don't give a fuck. Tory goes on the internet and cries about having to do 2 meetings a day. All right? Yeah, we're going to talk about that. It's not hate. It's pointing out the fact that it's fucking idiocracy. It's idiocracy that she's making videos crying about how she has to do 2 meetings a day. My life is so hard. Guys, I want you to feel sorry for me. I sell a $5,000 course and I'm a fucking retard. Yes, my life is terrible. It's not hating, we're pointing out the fucking facts. It's facts. Fucking facts, chat. Big difference between hating and pointing out the fucking facts. Exactly. It's hate, bro. It ain't hate. It's facts. You gotta get the facts straight. Get the fucking facts straight. Feeling so free. Celebrate and dance with me. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. All right, well, Nasdaq just bleeding out here once again from the 60s down there to the 40s at the low of day here. No bounces, no bounces. Just so. Dance so free. What's the P&L? I make no money. That's my P&L. I make no money, everybody. This is all just a fugazi. No P&Ls, no profits. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm actually broke. If you see behind me, I had to sell my Lamborghini. I sold the Lambo. I sold everything. The end is near. The end is near. All right. Well, it was good for a minute, but then it was bad. Stop at the low of day. Take me, Nasdaq. Come on, market makers. Take my stop down there. I know you want it. Get it. Yes. There it is. Get it down there. Get it down there. Get it. Ooh. Save it. Market makers said we're going to save Patrick's stop. Come on. Pump it back up here. Boner candle. Boner candle. No. Back up here. Back above the 50s. Quick. Come on, market makers. Finally. Come on. Market makers. No. Oh. No. No. Oh. No. Oh. No. Oh, God. Oh, God. Are you guys seeing this? This is real time right now. It's happening real. It's crazy times that we're living in. We could switch to the shorts right here. Maybe. He's got a blow on it, you think? Oh, it's working. Oh, God. This guy's a joke. Hell yeah. Hey, remember, when you call me a joke, right, and you're watching this stream live on YouTube, you have to ask yourself, wait a second. You're like, wait a second. If he's a joke and you're watching me, what are you? Think about that. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm a joke and you're watching it, what does that mean about you? Does that mean you're the joke or I'm the joke? Am I laughing at you or are you laughing at me? Who's laughing at who here? You know, I'm the millionaire. You're a guy on YouTube that's watching me. These are all questions that need to be answered when we really think about it. You know, you think about like, if I'm a joke and I'm terrible, but you're watching me, does that make me not a joke and make you terrible? Or does that make me terrible? You know, it's like if up is down, but down is up, and then the left is the right, and then the right is the right, but then the market goes up, and then it goes down. Which way do we go? So many questions, so little time. You know? It's hard to know, really. Very hard to know. I don't really have a good answer for that, to be honest. Who's a joke and who's not a joke? Well, fucking A, Nasdaq. At 11 o'clock, the low is going to be in. Watch. 11 o'clock, once this London market bullshit, fizzles out, boom, market's going to rip back up. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe we just keep dumping here. Oh, fucking A. I just like, it's one of those days, man. One of those fucking days. The FOMO is real. I just fucking... if I could go back in time, like... I even said before market open, I was like, today's the day, bro. We're going big, 100 points, 200 points. Going, looking for those shorts. And clearly, I didn't get it. So... it is what it is. They're still holding that 35 level. Wow. Held the 35s again. I'm probably going to get stopped out here, but... Mandy did not get in my head. I don't know. I think, really what it was? It's just like right there at open. It's just like this kind of little stupid price action. We were just chopping. And then like... Then when we started to like move down, then it was like, okay, let me take some profit kind of, like... I don't know. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard when the market's like chopping, and then all of a sudden, like look at that, like then it just really cleaned up. After the first 10 minutes or so, then the market cleaned up, and then it was to the downside. So I don't know. That's what they do at open. You're right. Yesterday we dumped straight down at open, so that's kind of like. I guess in my head, I was like, oh, this is, we're going to get this move. We're going to get the fucking straight down dump at open again. And then I was like, I'll basically get this short at open. I'll take some profit. And then I'll get short again. But it just basically, I mean, it just went. We had a little bit of a bear flag there, but I don't know. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Should have made $1 million. Should have fucking been short 300 contracts at open. I don't fucking, you know, there's, it's, that's all it is. It just, literally just, I don't have like a good answer to it, really. I guess it goes back to like the other day when Greg was here and Greg was crying about, or someone was crying about the fact that they, you know, got out early or whatever it is. And I was like, fuck you, you know, you should be happy. You took profit. The problem is like when you take that profit and then you just don't get any more fucking good setups and you're trying to like stick to your plan, you're trying to follow the plan. And then what do you do? It's sucks. All right, it's 11 o'clock. Let's see if this is going to be the low of day. They're going to try to pump it back up here now. I told you 11 o'clock, we're going to pump, but no one ever believes me. I'm just an idiot on the internet. I get it. And I like that. You should believe that I'm an idiot, right? Like nobody should watch this stream and be like, oh, this guy knows what he's doing. Because what do I know? You know what I mean? Like, what do I know? I don't know. I'm just a guy on the internet. I didn't go to like classical school to learn how to trade. Nobody taught me how to trade. I just started doing this shit. I got a few payouts, been on a few leaderboards, but I mean, I don't, you know, like, I don't really know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm just a guy, man. Just out there trying to live the dream, you know. I've been on top of the leaderboards a few times on pretty much every single prop firm. Every major prop firm, I've been on their leaderboard. I've gotten record payouts. Yeah, I mean, do I have losing trades? Sure. Do I have red days? Sure. Do I do stupid shit? Sure. You know, I mean, it's all part of the process. I'm not perfect, but I keep showing up every day, trying to be a little bit better every day, you know. Today was I think going back, you know, what could I really like think about, you know, personally for myself? I think that again, you know, the hourly chart was just so fucking primed for that short this morning. Honestly, like it sucks. It sucks that I just didn't stick to my guns, you know. That should have been $100,000 fucking day. Honestly. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, I know. But I'm just like I'm trying to figure out what I can do in the future, you know? Like this is the setup that should have been fucking just balls to the walls, fucking making money. We took out the hourly chart. We had this little low there, 330s. After that, it really was, you know, 23,060 area. Not really much reason to stop before then. And obviously in hindsight, everything is clear. Everything's easy to see in hindsight, but just gotta believe, you know. I think that's the moral of the story. If you're gonna have a setup, if you're gonna believe in the idea of the market moving in waves, believe in like where do the hourly candles, where do they want to go? Well, they want to go where that previous support resistance is, vice versa. We're right here, right now, like it's hard to say. So coulda, shoulda, woulda. The next level here, 22,800 to the downside there. We got some pivot points to the downside there as well. Right now, Nasdaq kind of just chopping around here. We had basically 2 hours of selling since open on the hourly chart. You would expect some type of pushback up here, even just to kind of build out a bear flag, you know, on the hourly chart here. Some kind of little push. That 23,100 area kind of sitting there makes sense. So that's it. John Money, you're asked how my brother's been. I don't know if you're trolling me or not, but he's dead, so that's how he's been. I'm not sure what he's been up to, but he's been dead for a while. But thanks for asking. Are you still trading with Apex? I do not have any Apex accounts right now. I took over $1 million in payouts and locked it in, man. You gonna celebrate? Oh yeah. Are you planning on doing a meetup anytime soon? Probably not. I hang out with you guys every morning. What do you wanna meet up? What are we gonna do? We're gonna meet up in real life and sit around and fucking jerk each other off? No offense, but like, you know, what are we gonna do? Like, you know what I mean? Like, if we meet up in real life, what are we gonna do? What, you know, like, what are we gonna do differently than what we're doing right now? We're all talking, we're all hanging out. Like, do we really need to meet up to do that, you know? I thought you lived in Hawaii. No. I do not. All right, well, I'm still long here. I don't know where it goes, but like I was saying, kind of thought that at 11 o'clock that we would kind of be the low of day here. Might look for like a push back up there at 23,000, like 100 area, maybe. Maybe. Best place to live to avoid taxes. I don't know. I pay a lot of taxes. We got a big buyer at 86s just stepped up there. 44 contracts sitting on the book right now. Time to eat. What's up? What's up with you, bro? People always ask me, hey, Patrick, what's up? I mean, just sitting on the fucking YouTube, man. Hating life. Loving it. Just loving life, you know? I got 2 more meetings after this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it through the day. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. I just don't know if I'll make it. Speaking of that, look at my new Ferrari wheels. I painted the wheels white on my Ferrari. What's funny is the Ferrari and the Lambo have the same exact, they're the same exact colors from the factory. That's not even a wrap. It's pretty cool. Any boat progress? We're actually going down there to see the boat again tomorrow. Nasdaq right now just ripping back up. What do? Do I take profit or I just hold forever? All right, well, I told you, 11 o'clock, pumpity dumpity. No one ever believes me. What do I know? Hey, what do I know? Hey, what do I know? You know what I mean? I don't know nothing. But hey, whatever. I don't know nothing. See if we get there to the 120s there next, and then from there, anything's possible. Would you let Joe Biden drive your Lambo? Fuck no. I don't think he would even be able to drive it, to be honest. There's 100 contracts sitting on the book at the 113s. 100 contracts. Someone's either trying to cover or I don't know what the fuck they're doing, but there's 100 contracts just sitting on the book right now at the 113s. Guys, hey, I get it. You think I'm gambling? I get it, right? Everybody's gambling. It doesn't matter what strategy you trade. There is never a 100%. There is no 100% strategy. So every single strategy that you're taking is gambling, right? No matter what. The only strategy that is 100% is just don't do it. You know what I mean? Just don't trade. That's the only way that you're not gambling. It doesn't matter what strategy you use. It doesn't matter what your fucking belief is. It doesn't matter what your religion is. It's all gambling. So when you sit here and you call me a gambler, yes, we're all gambling. The same person that goes to their job every day and works 9 to 5. The person who goes and works a 9 to 5 job their entire life. It's a gamble, right? Are they not taking a fucking gamble? Like if whatever you're doing in life, it's a gamble because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, right? Tomorrow the world could end. Tomorrow, I could die, right? So the gamble is, I'm like, hey, I wasted 5 hours of my fucking life on the last day of me living to be on YouTube streaming, right? That's a gamble. I'm gambling. I'm risking my life right now. Like, I could be doing something better, right? If I die tomorrow, like, you know, like, hey, I risked it all. You know, I fucking risked it all. So it's all just bullshit. I'm like, all these fucking idiots in the chat that are talking about me gambling. It's like, if I'm so, again, don't watch. You know what I mean? Don't watch it. That would be your best option. If you think, like, why are you here? I don't get it. I just don't get it. All right, Nasdaq back up there to the 120s. We're long from the 66s. Why do I not have any Apex accounts anymore? Like I said a million times, I could have 20 Apex accounts if I wanted to. I've gotten $1 million in payouts with Apex. $1 million. Over $1 million. You can check it. It's all legitimate. Ask Nutty Bar. I've gotten over $1 million. So now, you know, to be honest, I'm kind of like, I'm just like, I don't really care to keep trading the 20 fucking accounts and doing all that. Like, I'm just like, hey, I want to just trade and focus on like one account and grow that and like make money, you know. John Money. By the way, this guy literally came out a video like 3 years ago with a shaved head talking about how he's tired of pretending to be a day trader. Yes, I'm tired of it. I don't want to ever be a day trader ever again. John Money, I want to ask you something. John Money. You could, hey, and this is an honest conversation, like adult to adult. We don't have to like sit here and, you know, make jokes, but like honest conversation. What is this? What is this? I'm just wondering, you know, like, what is this? Is this day trading? Is this gambling? Is this me being an influencer? Yeah, I'm just wondering. I'm just wondering. I want people to like, to ask me, like, is this trading? You know, like, if I make it on the leaderboard, if I make $355,000 trading, right, a payout for $355,000, like, is that trading? Like, am I a trader? You know, if I'm on top of the leaderboard at 4 different prop firms, does that make me a trader? It's just affiliated. That's all it is. That's all I am. I mean, okay, whatever. I'm an affiliate. Whatever. The funny part is, if you look at fucking Tradeify, I'll pull it up right now. Look at this shit. I'll show you. Look on Tradeify. If you look at their current leaderboard, y'all want to look at this shit. I'll show you this shit. Y'all want to see something? Y'all will die. Y'all will die when you see this. So this is literally the leaderboard currently, right? I stopped trading at Tradeify, like over a month ago? Right? Over a month ago? Did I stop? When did I stop? Like a while ago, right? It's been at least a month. Right? I think. Look at the leaderboard currently. It hasn't changed. Marietta S is actually down $2,000 in the last month. Look at that. Marietta S. You can't even see it because it's like fucking back thing, but like Marietta S is still the number one in the league. You know what I mean? Like, they haven't even made money in a month. They've been trading these accounts for over a month since I left, and the leaderboard is still the same. It's still the same. That was even after I stopped. Dude, just show your bank audits. What does that mean? You want me to show my bank audits? Like, what is that going to do? What is that? You know what I mean? Like, what is that going to do? Let me see my bank audits. Patrick, I want to see your bank audits. Tell me your bank. I don't believe you that you're rich. It's a scam. There's no way that you have money. There's no way. I mean, my bank audits. Okay, I'll show you. I mean, I'll log into my bank right. I don't give a fuck. I'll log into my bank account right now, live on YouTube. They think I care. They think I'm gonna be like, Patrick, you what the fuck? Look at my bank audit. Here's my bank account. I got $1.2 million. Is that good? Is that good? Should I be happy with this? 1.2 million? Is that bad? Or is that good? Is that good? Are we auditing my bank now? Are we auditing my bank account? Is this live? Now show your credit score. Okay. Let me pull up my credit score next. We got that. I'm working on it. Let me work on what else I got. I'm gonna work on some. I can pull it up for you. Let me see my credit. I don't know what my credit score is right now. I think it's probably not even that high. Let me see what my credit score is. Let me see. It's been a while since I've even looked at it. Oh, it's working. Oh, they're sending me an authentication. Hold on, everybody. Hold on, chat. Hold on. I just showed my bank account with $1.2 million in the bank account, by the way. So, I mean, hey, whatever. What the fuck is all this? The bank account. Man, a bank account audit went good. Banana, FIFA, banana. Hey, what did anybody remember what I said? What would happen at 11 o'clock? Did anybody? Does anybody remember what I said at 11 o'clock? Does anybody remember that? I don't know. What happened at 11 o'clock? You know what I mean? What happened at 11 o'clock? I wonder. Oh, okay. I mean, hey. That's my credit score. My credit score. You know? My credit score. Look at my details. What we got here? Ooh, it's up a little bit. It's up. Credit card usage, 12%. Not bad. I'll take it. You know, I might be an adult one day. It's not bad. My Equifax. So, I mean, I don't buy anything with credit. I pay everything in cash. I have no debt. So, credit card usage. Yeah, I'm using 12. I've got a small balance, 3,700 on my Amex there. So, I guess, I don't know. You know, I just don't know. The market's still going higher, but whatever. I'm an idiot, clearly. You know, why does everybody always say I'm so stupid? Any more questions? Should we do anything else? Anything else? Should anything else happen? What should we do now, chat? This is 100 points, by the way. Did it work? Did it work? Wait, did it work? I just tried to fart in the mic. Did it work? Did he hear the fart? Phew. That shit smells. That was a bad one. That's a protein fart. That's a protein fart right there, bro. Oh my, hey, chat, I don't know, man. I don't know what to do here. What do we do now? What should I do, chat? Why is there 3,800 people watching? I don't know, because I just farted live on YouTube. Take a little bit of profit here, you know. Right there at that pivot point now, but whatever. La 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 la. I got 2 left here. We are long from the 66s. Everybody wanted to say that I had no idea what I was doing. But I don't know, man. I don't know. Look at that 15-minute chart. I told you we were looking a little overextended to the downside. You know, looking a little extended to the downside. So, whatever. Whatever, chat. John Money said he's a gay little boy. Well, I mean, I got nothing against gay little boys. I got something against retards, though. That's your problem, John. You're a retard. And now you get to spend life in the VIP room for the rest of your life. Isn't that fun? You know, I can be a real nice person, right? I've given away thousands of dollars to subscribers, given away free courses, given away plenty of accounts. I've done lots and lots of stuff. When people are nice, you know, when the chat is nice, they get rewarded. But when you want to come here and you want to tell me that I suck and I'm an idiot and I have no idea what I'm doing and you're a genius, like, that ain't no fun, right? Like, that ain't no fun. That's not, you know what I mean? Like, that's like, who's like, ain't no fun. So, someone said, please stop the ranting. What else am I going to do? Robert Cumming? God, if my last name is Robert, if my name is Robert Cumming, like my last name is Cumming, you know, like that, I don't know, man. That'd be a weird last. Like my name's, hey, hello, my name's Robert Cumming. Does everybody make fun of you, Robert Cumming? Is that what it is? Everyone's making fun of you, aren't they? That's why you're upset. My last name's Wieland. You know, it's like that's a real name, Patrick Wieland. You know, like there's no sexual joke about Wieland. You know, like what are you gonna say? Oh, you can Wieland my dick? Well, no, that's not that funny. But Robert Cumming, now that's some. I can definitely make some jokes with that. You know, be yelling out, "Hey, Robert, are you coming?" Got him. You know, I got him. I could. Wieland? No, that's not even close. Wienerland? No. Wieland and Wienerland is not the same. That's Wienerland. I don't know. Hey, if you're talking about Wienerland, that's cool. Whatever you're into, bro. I'm not gonna, you know, shame you for having your feelings about wieners. Whatever you're into, it's, you know, totally normal. I'm not against it. You know, I'm all for it. I'm all for people, you know, exploring their sexuality and stuff. You know, that's what we're here for. We're here for the sexuality. You know, we're here for it. Two tens coming up there. Is this the best trade of my life? This is the best trade of my life. This is the best trade of my life right now. What are we up? 15,000 on the day? Oh. Look at my P&L today too. Wee. We were up, then we were down. Welcome to the big leagues, boys. Welcome to the big leagues. Even when I was flipping down to the bottom, we were still sitting at 73%. Why did I take that long? Are you serious? Is that a serious question? Look at the 5-minute chart. Show me where the bear flag is. Show me where the bear flag is down at the bottoms. You know what I mean? Show me where the bear flag is. You know what I mean? Like, show me where the bear flag is at the lows. Show it to me. I don't see one.
Dump incoming.
Oh, dump incoming. Okay. Don't talk about what you're doing in the bathroom, bro. We don't want to know about what you're doing in the bathroom, okay? Whatever you're doing in the bathroom, we don't need to know. You don't need to let the chat know. You know, dump incoming. Yeah, we get it. You're going to probably go in the bathroom and take a dump. I get it. You know, people ask me, they're like, Patrick, you know, they be hating on me. I'd be like, oh, you know, what color is your Ferrari? What color is your Ferrari? What color is your Lamborghini? Exactly. Where is your Lamborghini? I don't know what's a cooler key. The Lamborghini key is literally just a fucking, it's just a key from the thingy. The Lamborghini key, it looks like it's just an Audi key, so it's not that cool looking, but I don't know. What do you think? The Lambo key? This is the Lambo key, right? Aventador Lamborghini. Not that cool of a key. The Ferrari, red, silver on the front. Little something something. I don't know. What do you think? Which one's cooler? The Ferrari. The Ferrari. I like the Ferrari. Oh, buddy. Maria made $4,700.
$4,758. Thank you. Done for today.
Jay Dunn just asked to do a live with you guys. All right, let me talk about something really quickly here. I'm gonna talk about something really quickly here with you. All right, let's think about this, right? There's levels to this game. There's Jay Dunn, who's a fucking retard, right? Who literally no one gives a fuck about. And then there's PW, right? And it's like there's just different levels. So for me to do anything with Jay Dunn would be absolutely fucking retarded. He has 300 viewers on his live stream. What do I, you know what I mean? Like, what do I gain from doing anything with someone who gets 300 viewers? You know, like, it would just be terrible. He would do nothing for me. So, just putting that out there, you know, like it made no sense. All right, we push back up there to the 200 level. I got one runner left. This thing is just going. You can see where we got stuck out there. Maybe we build out a little bit of a cup and handle type thing where maybe like we kind of roll off here a little bit and then put another higher low and then we push back up. Hard to say. So, why do you want to beat him up? I don't want to beat him up. I don't want to beat up anybody. I think that you guys think that me calling someone retarded makes me want to fight them. I think Jay Dunn's a retard. Doesn't mean I want to fight him. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, it's the truth. Remember when Jay Dunn and Danny Trades tried to scam everybody? Yeah, I remember that a few times. No, I definitely remember that. So it's just like, that's also. I literally walked away from Tradeify. I left Tradeify. I was getting $150,000 a month, and I left Tradeify because they were associated with Jay Dunn. That's how bad, you know, like, I don't even want to be associated with that guy. I walked away from $1 million a year because of, you know, my beliefs. You know? Do I like Jade Cap? I mean, do I like him? I got nothing against him. Do I think he's the amazing trader that everyone thinks he is? No. I don't think any influencer is what people think they are. You know, that's the thing. Like, I've been so honest with people and they literally don't listen to me. At the end of the day, right? An influencer trading, it's fugazi, right? If they're not trading live, if they're not breaking down setups and like not telling you, you know, like really breaking it all down, then what are they really doing? Just posting up big P&Ls like that. What does that mean? You know, like, hey, everybody, look, I made $100,000 yesterday. Like, what does that do for, you know, what does that do for their viewers? What does that do for you guys? Just by me posting up a big P&L, being like, hey guys, I made $1 million. What does that do for you? You know what I mean? Like, what does that do for you? As a trader, that does nothing for you. Yeah, let's post up some inspirational quotes. If I gotta read one more fucking inspirational quote on Twitter, you know? What a joke. And Big Daddy Max, why do I not like him? Because he's a fat fuck and he doesn't make money. Come on. Like, it's a joke. They're all fucking, those, like him and one guy, Llama. Like, dude's over there excited about making $2,000. Like, get out of here. Is Ross Cameron the real deal? No. There's not one influencer that's a real deal. Even myself, right? Like, I couldn't buy all the shit that I have from trading alone. You know what I mean? Like, I couldn't fucking, there's no way. Let's say I make $1 million a year trading, right? I made $1 million in payouts in the last fucking year or whatever it is. What could I live on? Like, I couldn't live on that. I make $1 million a month and I'm still broke. Like, think about that. I make $1 million a month and I'm still broke. I know it sounds crazy, but it's the truth. I'm not even trolling you. Are you in the mafia? Yeah, the PW mafia. What about rips? I mean, guys, again, every influencer, it's not about being good at trading or not. It's just the fact of, like, at the end of the day, as a influencer, right? If I make $1 million a month as an influencer, that's not even trading. That's just, like, I can blow up 500 accounts a month and still be profitable. You know, like, I can still pay all my bills. Where most of the traders, most people in the chat, like, they can't afford to blow up 500 accounts in a month. You know, like, they can't. So it's just not, like, it's not realistic. Oh, by the way, anybody in the chat want to buy my truck? I know, it sounds crazy. I will help me help you. I think this actually is going to end on my birthday. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna look at F-150. Nasdaq still going higher here. I told you guys, 11 o'clock, London market closed. Guess what happened? Guess what happened? All right, so anybody, I will ship this truck anywhere in the continental USA, possibly somewhere along the border in Mexico or maybe Canada if you really want to. But this is that Baja truck that I had, right? It's up on Bring a Trailer auction website. 6 days left, currently at 45,000. There's no reserve, so I'm selling it no matter what. No matter what the fucking price is, it's gone. It's gone. This thing is top to bottom. Huge build on it. I think there's like a $200,000 build. And if anyone's interested, if you know anybody, send it over, because this thing could sell for literally $50,000. I mean, I really don't know. It's a bit of a, you know, bit of a scary thing either way. So if you want to check it out, it's for sale right now. There is no reserve. I'm taking a big risk. Normally people have reserves, and I'm like, fuck it, we're going no reserve, baby. So if you want to, you know, check it out, let people know. If you're out in California, it'd be a sick fucking truck. The mileage, it's got 34,000 miles on it. It's got a supercharger. It's got a 5.0 Coyote. It's got the dash. It's got the Recaros. It's got full insane suspension on this thing. Insane suspension. It's got the coilover. It got it all. It's got everything paint matched. It's really the fucking, like, everything's been done on this truck. The reason I'm selling it is just because I got a new Raptor. I'm gonna build out a new a 2023 Raptor, just a new body style. It kind of going a little bit different, but it's got the 4-link in the back. The 4-link in the back is like a $50,000 build, right? It's tits. Fucking tits, boys. Look at your trade. It's going to the moon. Oh, I know. I know, sir. I know. Can you take... Are we getting 200 points here? Are we going to go for 200 pointer? Is it possible, you think? Can we get 200 points here today? Is it possible? Do you think it's possible? Like, could I do it? Maybe? You know, like, could I do it? Like, could it possibly happen? Maybe. Aaron said he's green again, thanks to you. Well, thanks to me? Thanks to you. I'm going to lock it in at 66. I'm going to go for 200 points here. That's my target. I'm going to stick to it. Let's see if we can get it, boys. We're doing this shit live on YouTube. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's fucking lock in 200 points. We have been long since the 66s. I told you what was going to happen. 11 o'clock. London, going to close down. 11 o'clock, boom, markets, boom, boom. Nasdaq's going to rip. We're up 200 points right now, doing it all live. I showed you my entry. We're about to show you my exit as well. But I am long from the 23,266s. And we'll see if we get filled here. That's right. We're doing it live on the YouTube. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button. Where'd the truck sell? What? Link in the chat for the Bring a Trailer. 200 points. Make me your friend. Your friend. I just want to laugh at all the people in the chat that said I was an idiot for going long at the bottom. You know what I mean? That's what I want to say. I just want to put that out there. For everybody in the chat that said I was an idiot for buying at the bottom, where are they now? Where did they all go? Where did the people go? Where did they go? Where did they go? Am I going to ship it to Morocco? Fuck, I don't know about Morocco, bro. Maybe. If you want to pay the shipping. I'm not paying the shipping to Morocco, but if you want to pay the shipping, you can buy it. Why do you want to sell the truck? Like I said, I got another 2023 Raptor that I'm building, a Raptor R. So just building a different truck. Nothing wrong with that truck. Just kind of building a new one. It's part of the business. You got to build new ones, make new ones, big ones, small ones, all the ones. Damn, we're right there at the VWAP now. I might just have to let this ride either way. Come back later on, maybe lock it in, but still, what a trade. What a trade there. From the 66s up there to a high now of 58s. 58s. PW, are you looking to have an advanced course in the near future? You know what? Honestly, like, I don't think you don't need an advanced course. The next course that I'm going to put out is going to be $99. I'm putting out a course for $99. It's going to be the best course ever made.
Swap the truck for a 50K trading IFY account.
Yeah. Swap the account. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think you need to overcomplicate it. You don't need an advanced strategy course. PBM. You can leave if you want. Thanks for coming. Can we lock this bitch in or what? Come on. I want 200 points live here on YouTube. Have you looked at a Ford Shelby? Yes. Why not make a sale on the course you have now? Well, because people already paid $199 for it. What indicators do you use? Buy low, sell high. Works every time. Everybody wants to party with me. La la la. Come on, chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Did it? What the fuck? The high of that candle was 66. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Why? What a joke. What a joke. How did that happen? It hit 66 on the dot, but didn't fill. I didn't get filled. What a joke. The market makers, man, they're watching. Nobody understands that the market makers watch me do this shit. Joseph said, joke's on me for not going long. Well, you know, Joseph, like I said earlier, I told everybody in the chat, it might be a good time to fade me, right? You might want to fade me. Sure, maybe. It might be a good idea. Go fade me. You know what I mean? Go fade me. Maybe. Well, my next course be different than the first one. Honestly, I don't think they're like, the new one's just going to be maybe filmed a little bit better and just kind of a little bit different, but it's all the same shit, man. It's bull flags, it's bear flags. You don't need to overcomplicate this shit. I think people just like, they want that simple and easy idea, you know? And it's just like, look, you know, just fucking trade the chart, man. Just trade. Oh my God, look at that. That candle hit right to 266. You're telling me that the fucking market makers don't watch my stream? You're telling me that? Like, you're really going to tell me that? You know what I mean? Like, are you really going to tell me that? Rogello is at Goodyear with my boy Steven Rosario taking profit. Let's go. Let's go. Are all your trades 200 points? No, normally they're like 1,000 points. 200 points is like a low side of my trade, you know, but you know, 200, I take 200 points sometimes. But if you're looking down here, I actually got long early, but look at this little bull flag he set up here. We had the lows down here. We got tight. We start to break out there, and there you go. Just fucking riding it to the moon, you know, like textbook. Absolutely fucking textbook. Who's a gambler now? Who's gambling now? I guess I was. You know? I guess I was gambling. I guess I'm just gambling. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, we got the course winners to give away here. I forgot about that. We got to give away the course. Chat, we need more likes on the stream, by the way. We need more likes. Come on, chat. I'm giving away 10 courses right now live on YouTube for free. No payment needed. You just sign up. Bye, bye, bye. Lie, lie, lie. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. All right. Are we ready? Are you ready? Wrong person. All right. The winners today. Keanu, Steven, James, Shane, Earmere. What the fuck is that name? Dude, if somebody can pronounce that name, I'll give you $100. Imir Zigmon. What? Imra? Yeah, but what's the last name? Zigmon. Imra Zigmon. Zigmon! Are you in the chat? Is Imra Zigmon? Imra! Why is John Cummings not on the list? Damn it. I forgot about John Cummings. We should have put John Cummings on the list. Too late now. Too late now. All right. Steven, Mike. Yeah, everyone's making money there. Look at that. Loving it. So there it is. What time is it? 11:44. The market has only went up since the 11 o'clock open, or the 11 o'clock kind of push. And I told you guys, 11 o'clock. I told you, 11 o'clock. What are the white numbers on the chart? They're pivot points. Pivot points. Pivot points. If you look here on the chart right now, we got the 4-hour chart. We pulled back there into the 23,000s. We had another pivot point that we got back above now. We got stuck here at the VWAP. 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart kind of showing us that idea of a little bit of a pushback up. You can also see there on the 15-minute chart. Look at how these candles started getting smaller. You know, they're getting smaller. They're getting smaller. We had a really big candle down. But then what starts happening? We get smaller candle, kind of showing for the possible reversal there off those lows. I mean, at some point, there's going to be a low, right? At some point, the low of day is going to happen. Do I know exactly when it's going to happen? No, but I do know by looking at the chart, it's like, hey, okay, 15-minute, we're big down, kind of getting a little choppy, getting a little indifferent, another little smaller candle, and then this one, a little almost like a doji, very small body. That's kind of telling me like, hey, even if we do go lower, it kind of looks like we might want to pop back up. You know, that's just normal trading. The market's not gonna just go from 400 down to 2,200 or 22,000 instantly. It's gonna do this shit where even if you think the market's gonna go lower today, there's a good chance that we kind of push back up. We show some, a little push. What happened? We got a little push back up there. 5-minute chart also. I think the fact that we were I think the fact that we held those lows there also kind of a telltale sign. Like, look at how these that body right there of that candle, ding, 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 almost exactly the same. Whereas if you look, at the trend, like, we don't really have that happening, right? When the market's selling, you don't really get those candles that are like holding at that exact level together. You don't get bodies, like perfect little bodies. You get little thingies, but then this is like, oh, okay. If we get above this 5-minute candle for a breakout, well, then there's a good chance maybe we could push back up. Kind of first target being into the middle of this candle, being there at the VWAP now. Makes sense, right? But, yeah. I don't know. It's easy for people to sit in the chat and just talk shit and whatever they want because they're nobody, they're nothing, and they can sit here and just talk with no actual, if they're wrong, nobody knows, nobody cares. If I'm wrong, then everybody cares, but if I'm right, then everyone's quiet, and it's like, ooh, that's interesting. So, now the question is, do we get stuck here, pull back? Yeah, maybe. OT Frosty got a $10,000 payout. You crazy. You crazy boy. You so crazy, boy. You crazy boy. You came out running around. Need some music. Turn the music up here. What we got? What's a good... Somebody give me a good song. Who's got a good song? Something in the chat. There you go, Andy Lunchbox. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Amen. Amen. Bloodhound Gang. Oh, God. Bloodhound Gang. I haven't heard this song in forever. Dude, 15 years ago. What a song.
Organize the whoopee stick in the ham wallet. Cattle prod
Okay.
the oyster ditch with the lap rocket. Batter dip the cranny axe in the gut locker. Retrofit the pudding hatch, ooh la la, with the points water. If I get you in the loop when I make a point to be straight with you, then in lieu of the innuendo, in the end, no, my intento, I'm Brazilian wax poetic. So
Oh, it's getting better. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's turn it back on. Oh! I can't look at that before they get mad. Okay, I promise I'm not looking. I'm not looking. For research purposes only. Research purposes only. I'm gonna get one of those. Give me a big old banana boat. It's a throwback right here. 15 years ago, man.
Marinate the nether rod in the squish mitten. Power drill the yippee bog with the deep piston. Pressure wash the quiver bone
Dude, that fucking thing.
in the bitch wrinkle. Cannonball the fiddle cove, ooh la la, with the pork steeple. If I get you in the loop when I make a point to be straight with you.
Nasdaq pulling back here right now. Just gotta pull back to those EMAs.
I'm Brazilian wax poetic, so pathetically I don't wanna beat around the bush.
And this is what I was talking about earlier.
Uniform, Charlie, Kilo, Foxtrot, uniform.
But what I was talking about earlier there is here, let's hold on one second. I just want to point out something so people that are still here. Even in a bear market, right? Even when the market's selling off, even when there's like, you know, dumping, you get very strong bullish like reactions back up. Because why? Because bulls are looking for the bottom, right? They're looking to buy these dips. So when that happens, what happens here? You start to get bulls stepping in, and then you get shorts getting squeezed because people are trying to short here. They're trying, you know, now they might be all right to get short, but that's what happens. Even in a very bear, like the market can be very bearish, but you have to expect what? You have to expect that there at some point the market's going to do what? It's going to push back up. It's going to build out a wave, and then maybe it goes lower. So again, it's very important. It's like to understand that it's okay, right? You can be long. Like there are opportunities to make money on the longs. Obviously, you just have to time it right. So just because the market's red does not mean that you should never look for longs. Because again, those squeezes can be very volatile. They can be very violent, right? The market squeezing back up creates a lot of volatility. Market rips up 200 points. It dumps 200 points. And then look, now we're starting to bleed back down again. So, hey, don't think that it's always just, you know, oh, wow, the market's crashing. I should only ever get short, right? There's no longs ever. There's never a way to make money on the longs. So, am I still long? I am. I'm going to get, I can't believe it fucking hit my target too. What a joke. I was trying to get that. I wanted to get that 200 points, man. But whatever. I'll probably just leave this one, let it run for the rest of the day, see what happens. Got one contract left from the 66s earlier. We took most of the profit into this push up into the 180s. So kind of see what happens from there. Back to that pivot point for now. PW, what are the numbered lines? It's the opening range indicator that I use. It charts out the 50% of the opening range. So there it is. If you guys have not already used the like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I think I'm going to hit out and get out of here. I'm going to get out of here right now. Funding ticks. Use the code PW. You then get $50 evals. I know I'll show you guys how it works, but let me show you. Hilo. Bum bum. Bum bum bum. All right. Just for everybody out there, I'm going to show you one more time. When you sign up for Funding Ticks, you then pick your account that you want to buy. All right, you're going to go to One Step. Click on the One Step. Then click on Funding Ticks Pro Plus. Then go here. It says Individual Reward Cap. Bang. You're going to click 1,000. You're going to click 50K. You're going to click Tradeovate. Bam, 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 bam. All you need. You're going to go over here. You're going to put the code PW in. Put the code PW in there. Put it in there. PW, right? Okay, perfect. Now, look, it's $50. That's right. $50. So, is the opening range 15 minutes or 1 hour? It's 15 minutes. Yeah, I think MFFU right now is only 5% off. Why choose the 1K? Then your max payout is 1K. That's if you have 6 accounts and you get a payout every 5 days, that's $6,000. And you're paying $50 for it. If you want to have the $5,000 option, well, then just click the $5,000 option. It's $43 more. If you don't want to, if you just want to buy a $50 account and that's what you want, you could do that. If you want to, if you want to trade with the straight to funded account and you want to do all that, well, you could do that as well. Use the code PW, right? The straight to funded 100K account, it equals $389. There are options. That's the great thing about these prop firms is they give you options. If you want to buy a straight to fund account, it's $389. The 50K accounts, again, it's $324. The 25K account for the straight to funded account is $216, straight to funded. So either way, check them out, fundingticks.com. They got a couple different options. You can mess around with it. Nasdaq starting to pull back here once again. All right. All right. What a move. Big move up. Coming right back down here again. There it is. So, I love to sit here and tell you that I had told you so, but I don't know if I told you anything. I cannot believe that it got right there to the 66s. That's crazy. The fact that the market got right there to the 66s is crazy. Like, that's crazy talk. I don't even understand. Like, why? How did I not get filled? What a joke. Literally, what a joke. It's just like, it don't even make sense. It's like the market makers, man, they be watching me. I'm telling you, look at that. My target was 66s. I was getting 200 points. I had it at 66.75. And the high of that candle right there is literally 60 fucking 6. God, what a joke. What a joke. So we got one contract left. We're locking it down. You can see here in this account, lots of profit. Right now, total P&L is 15 just because we haven't locked in that last contract. But it was up. We were down. We were up. We were up. We were down. We're down. Kind of a battle. Largest winning trade, 5,300. Largest losing trade, 5,700. Average winning trade, 1,300. Average loser, 1,800. So I think we got a little chopped up down there at the bottom. But we stuck it out. The plan was real. We had it. We figured it out. We're focused on it. And that's all we can do. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. I'm going to go home, chill out. I got a dinner tonight. I got to go to 2 meetings tonight. It's going to be a big, I got 2 meetings. 2 meetings. Let me see if the car's done yet. Let me see if there's a car out here. Let me see what's out here. Thing went out. Oh, there we're back. All right, I'm gonna move the Lamborghini. I'm gonna move the Lamborghini. I'm gonna pull the Ferrari in. Looks so sick, huh? The two of them like the same color. Yeah, the blue. What? With the white wheels. What? Nah. Oh, she's pretty. Yes. She's so pretty. She got a big old booty. She got a big old booty. This big. This fat ass. She got a fat ass, Chad. She got a fat ass. Fat ass bitch. Anybody still here? Yeah, no, it sounds terrible right now. It is, I haven't done anything to the exhaust. I bought new exhaust for it. We got new exhaust and I got new turbos coming. So yeah, it's all stock right now. It sounds terrible. I know. It does not sound good, so. It is a Liberty Walk, yes. Liberty Walk 488. Sick as fuck. Sick as fuck. No risk, no Rari. Look at that. Nasdaq popping back up here. She popping back up here. Oh, fucker. Oh, fucker. How many funny ticks accounts can you trade at one time? Bringatrailer.com. You can trade up to 300,000, right? A 300,000 allocation. 300. So basically, like the 50K account is 6 accounts. 300K. Yes. There's a link there in the chat if you want to check out my truck that's for sale. There is no reserve on it. The auction ends in 6 days. $45,000. You can own a piece of Patrick Wieland. I'll even sign it for you. I'll put my signature on it. Wherever you want. I'll sign your forehead if you want. I'll even meet you. If you buy the car and you want to fly to Florida and you want to hang out with me for a day, possibly. I don't know about a day, but like maybe I'll let you cut. Whoever buys this can come to the BDH. How about that? If you buy the truck, you can come to the BDH. I'll let you come to the BDH. There you go. That might be the way. But yeah, got the Ferrari back. Look at this thing. I can't even really do anything right here with this camera because the camera's not but it's longy dongy. But I wish I could show you from the side because it looks so much better, but it looks pretty good right there. Right there. The Ferrari. The Ferrari. Thing's sick as fuck. It's got a PPF on it. That's the stock color, but it's got a PPF, paint protection film. So. Well, she looks good. There it is. I'm just gonna leave the stream up for the rest of the day of my car, see how long people will watch. The hood line, yeah, it's. I think it's just the angle, the camera angle, honestly. I think it's also that lens.
You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, come my lady. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Such a sexy, pretty little thing. This April pitch, you got me sprung with your tongue ring. And I ain't gonna lie, cause your loving gets me high. So to keep you by my side, there's nothing that I won't try. Butterflies in her eyes and her looks to kill. Time is passing, I'm asking, could this be real? Cause I can't sleep, I can't hold still. The only thing I really know is she got sex appeal. I can feel, too much is never enough. You always there to lift me up when these times get rough. I was lost, now I'm found, ever since you've been around. You're the woman that I want, so yo, I'm putting it down. Come my lady, come my lady. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby. I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Come my lady, come my lady. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby. I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. I don't deserve you, and that's it. Some kind of hidden message to show me life is precious. And I guess
this
it's
was true.
But to tell the truth, I really never knew till I met you. See, I was lost and confused, twisted and used. I knew a better life existed, but thought that I missed my lifestyle wild. I was living like a wild child, trapped on a short leash, parole to police files. So yo, what's happening now? I see the sun breaking down into dark clouds, and a vision of you standing out in the crowd. So come my lady, come my lady.
You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. All right, well, there it is. I think it's a good time to probably walk away. Look at my beautiful car. I'm gonna leave the stream up like this the rest of the day. Make the cookie. Yellow film on the windshield. That might be a little much.
Whatever tickles your fancy, girls, me and you like Sid and Nancy. So sexy, almost evil, talking about butterflies in my head. I used to think that happy endings were only in the books I read, but you made me feel alive when I was almost dead. You filled that empty space with the love I used to chase, and as far as I can see, it don't get better than this. So butterfly, here is a song, and it's sealed with a kiss and a thank you, miss.
Is my 66 gonna get filled? Back to the view hump again, boys. Something's happening. Something's happening here. Something's happening. Something's happening, Chad. Oh my God, it might happen. 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 It might. It might happen. Sugar, baby. Look at this thing. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, a little bit more, baby. A little bit more, baby. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. If you're just now tuning in, yes, I am. It is right. You are right. I am long from the 66s here. What's up, chat? You're my pretty baby. I make your legs shake. You make me go crazy. Where's the guy that earlier said it was a short all the way back to the lows? When did you say that? Who said that? Who said that? I want this person to raise their hand and take responsibility for that. Take responsibility for it. Take responsibility for it. Take responsibility for it. Why are you not using VWAP? What? This is my last reason. I'm using the VWAP. Right there, white line, bro. Toyota and Honda are the money hold. Are you serious? Honda? Hold value like you not believe. You know what else holds value like you won't believe? A 1989 Ferrari. Dynamite.
Where do I begin?
My Lambo's sitting in the sun right now, and I'm like, I don't know if I want it sitting in the sun. So I need to go home and put it in the garage. I don't know. What do I do? Troubled mind. Come on, Nasdaq. Hit the 66s so that way I can go home. I can do. Yeah. Yeah. What did I tell you guys, though? I told you. No one ever fucking believes me, you know? They don't believe me. But then they see it. They see the proof, and they're like, holy fuck. He was right. He did it. He did say it was only going to go up after 11 o'clock. And then it only goes up after 11 o'clock. But no one's here to no one's here now. They're not here anymore. Where did they all go? They didn't go nowhere. Call me Superman. If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my super. I mean, it pretty much hit. Like, we can say that my target got hit. You know, like, we can go ahead and say that, right? Like, I'm pretty sure we can go ahead and say that. Yeah, like, you know, we might as well just go ahead and be like, all right, we agree. Right, like, I agree. I think it hit, you know? You call me strong, you call me weak, but still your secrets I will keep. You took for granted all the times I never let you down. You stumbled in and bumped your head. If not for me, then you'd be dead. I picked you up and put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my kryptonite. Oh my God! Just hit it already. I want my 200 points live on fucking YouTube. So everybody can suck my big fucking dick. Come on, you motherfuckers. Come on, you motherfuckers. Go! Go! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be why'd I pick that profit level? Just because I wanted 200 points. Yeah, I'm a degenerate, clearly. Good job, Habibi. Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi. Guess Jeans going private for a $1.4 billion deal. Stock's up 25% today. Well, damn. Should have bought some Guess Jeans, I guess. Dude, a lot of companies buying stuff. Lowe's is buying Foundation Billion for a building for $8.8 billion. Are you kidding me? No, this ain't real, right? This ain't real right now, Chad. This ain't real. This ain't real. I've been on YouTube for 6 years watching everyone trade. Nobody has ever made a trade this big. Fuck no, they haven't. There's a reason we're the biggest and the largest. I'm going to dinner tonight with the owners of My Funded Futures. They're going to buy me a $600 steak. That's right. They ain't going to be buying nobody else fucking $600 steaks tonight, but I'm going to get me a $600 steak. I'm going to order the most expensive fucking steak on the menu, and then I'm going to smile. And you know what they're going to say? Say, whatever you want, Patrick. You can have it. You can have whatever you want, Patrick, because you're the biggest and you're the largest. Exactly. There it is. Done. There it is.
200
points. 200 points. 200 points. 200 points. 200 points. 200 points. 200 points. 200 points. 200 points. Why not short now? Why the fuck would I short here? Are you dumb? Trading BDH Master? God. Patrick, why did you not hold all 15 points for 200? Hey, you want me to hold all 15 contracts? Okay. Next time I'll do better, okay? I'll do better next time. I'll be a better trader next time. Okay, I'm gonna be better next time. Next time I'm gonna be better. Okay, I'll be better next time. Next time. By the way, I took my first profit at the for 60 points. I took the rest for 100 points. Up there to 182. I took the last of it for 200 points. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. Really, I don't give a fuck. I would love to see anybody in this fucking world do what I just did live on YouTube. Exactly. They can't. They don't. They won't. All right. Everybody can talk all they want, but ain't nobody fucking doing it live on YouTube. I put this shit on the line. I showed you guys my entry. I showed you my exit. I did it all live. Bang, bang, bang. Come on. On the day. 18,000. Everybody was talking so much fucking shit earlier. I swear. I was fired up. All right. I know you can't hear anything, but whatever. I'm out of here. Fuck it. I made money. All my haters can suck my dick. And, well, I'm going to go eat me a big old Wagyu motherfucking steak tonight for dinner, boys. Wagyu steak tonight for dinner. And like I said, $600, and we going to get that steak tonight, okay? Steak tonight. Gonna make that money tonight, if you know what I mean. Money tonight, gonna get that steak tonight. All right.